My Lordship,
Yes, sir.
uh, I wish to mention item number 5 on behalf of L. Parme.
Yes.
As my senior is out of station, matter may be released after 2 weeks.
So why it has been listed for?
Yes, my lord.
Why it has been listed for?
He is out of station due to his
Okay, but
parental
then let us see why
medical
it has been
treatment.
listed for. Have you taken steps? Okay, you are Mr.
Titagam.
Land Council, appearing on behalf of Mr. L. Parme, Land Council for the appellant. Praise for Father. How much time you said?
2 weeks,
2
my
weeks
lord.
time to file affidavit in reply. The prayer. Who is for the other side? Have you informed?
Yes, we have
Okay.
the consent from there.
Okay. To which the Land Council for the respondent has no objection. Prayer allowed. List this matter after 2 weeks. Okay.
May I please, Your Lordship, I'm here to mention item number 3. On behalf of Mukherjee, Your Lordship.
Okay.
He is out of station, Your Lordship. So matter may be fixed on another date.
Who is for the petitioner? Have you informed?
Yes, I have already taken the consent, Your Honor.
Okay. Mr.
Deepavinder.
Land Council submits that his senior, Mr. Mukherjee, Land Senior Counsel for the petitioner is out of station, therefore pray for adjournment. How much time?
It will be suitable, Your Lordship, if Your Lordship may be deemed fit. If Your Lordship may deem fit, then
Okay, after 3 weeks. Adjournment for 3 weeks. He also submits that he has obtained consent from the Land Council for the petitioner. Okay. In view of the above, and as prayed for, list this matter after 3 weeks. Okay.
deeply obliged, Your Lordship.
May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, I have filed one quashing petition, Your Honor, which was supposed to listed after 2 weeks, Your Honor. It's been 2 months, Your Honor. It has not been listed, Your Honor. Your Honor may take the matter on tomorrow, Your Honor.
Okay.
Much obliged.
Item number 1. Yes, this is criminal petition.
Yes, sir.
You are for?
I am for the respondent number 2.
Okay, who is the petitioner? No one.
There seems to be absent.
You sing. You are for respondent number?
2.
File wakalat nama.
Yes, I have already filed.
So then you want to file objection or what? You have no.
Yes.
This is question petition or what?
Yes.
Yes,
Okay, do you have objection? You want to file affidavit?
yes, yes, Your Honor.
Okay. None appears on behalf of the petitioner on call staff. Mr.
M. Dojiman.
None counsel. Ms. Jeannie, Lana Edison PP is present for the state. However, Lana Edison, Ms. Jeannie, Lana Edison PP for the state is present, and Mr. M.
Dojiman.
Lana counsel would appear on behalf of the respondent number 2 and praise for how much time it will take?
3 weeks, man.
3 weeks time to file objection. The player is allowed. List this matter after 3 weeks. Okay.
Online.
Item number 2,
My lord, in item number 2, I'm appearing for the appellant, my lord.
Lordship, in item number 2, notice upon respondent number 7 is still awaited.
okay.
On the as per the last order, my lord, we have taken steps upon respondent number 7, my lord.
Who is this?
Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of Empata for respondent number 5, 6, and 7. 5, 6, and 7.
Lordship, I am appearing on behalf of Sobu Koyang, sir. Respondent number 1
Nice.
is out of station for medical treatment, Lordship.
Okay, who is for the petitioner? What?
My lord, I'm appearing for the appellant, my lord, through video con. VC.
Where are you?
Through VC, my lord.
Who? BC. So BC. You are invisible. Okay, so
Your Lordship, since
So, my
the
lord,
respondent.
service is
Service-
complete, my lord, to
service-
the respondent.
no, probably the 7 you are representing.
No,
7.
M. Kato will be represent.
M cut off for 7,
Yes.
5, 6, and 7. And you are for 1.
1. Yes.
Okay. Now, coming with this. Record call paper book is also ready. Then we can fix
Yes,
for
my lord. We can fix
fix it
for,
for hearing.
my lord.
Lordship, I may be allowed to file a reply, Lordship.
What reply?
Affidavit in opposition.
There is this is a criminal appeal, and then the paper book is already prepared.
Yes.
What affidavit in opposition you want to file? We'll fix for hearing. Tell your senior, okay?
Okay.
My lord, it can be given a fixed in the month of
Your
March.
name has not been reflected in the cost list also. What is your good name? You are invisible.
My lord, I'm so sorry, my lord. To me, it's
Well-
visible, but I don't know, some technical issues maybe.
Okay.
My lord, my name is T. Marangar, my lord. For
Not exactly visible now, huh?
T. Marangar, my lord, my name.
T.
T. Marangar for Nitin Khera.
Lane Council for the appellant is present. I heard Mr. T. Lane Council for the appellant. Also heard Miss Jenny for state respondent number
Number 2, 3, and 4, Your Lordship.
2. Okay. 2, 3, and 4. Mr.
K. Yadav.
Lane Council appearing on behalf of Mr. Subbu Goyam. Your name is not there
Yes.
for Lane Council for the respondent number 1. And Miss Gao appearing on behalf of Mr.
M. Kato.
M. Kato Lane Council for the respondent number 5, 6, and the private respondent number 5, 6, and 7. Staff, huh?
Yes, Lordship, and DSTI, Lordship.
Okay, BSJ is also party here.
My lord, the 5, 6, and 7 are the Assam Rifles, my lord. So most probably is DSGI who has to appear.
Okay,
Yes, represent from the Lordship.
criminal appeal. Okay. Mr. Kato, Planet DSGI for the respondent number
5, 6, and 7.
5, 6, and 7. Oh, this is not a private. Okay. Why they have been included in the criminal appeal?
My lord, because there is an issue of jurisdiction of trial also, my lord. That's why, my lord, there's an issue of jurisdiction of the trial.
Issue of?
Jurisdiction of trial. Because
Okay.
the accused person was the personnel of the Assam Rifle.
Okay. So
Yes, my lord. So there is a
did you
provision.
raise objection at the time of trial?
No, my lord.
So there was a prosecution sanction?
My lord, as per the Act, my lord, of the Assam Rifle, the Assam Rifle can raise for can call for the trial at any point of time, my lord. Actually, my lord, is the trial court who should have intimated the Assam Rifle to ask whether they want to conduct a trial or the trial be conducted by the civil court. But that has not been done, so we are into that question also, my lord.
So according to you, he has an option either to be tried by the
Yes, my lord. According to us,
or
my
by-
lord, my lord, a letter should have been issued to the Assam Rifle to ask whether they want to conduct a.
Which provision, which provision says so?
My lord, the provision would be section 102 of the Assam Rifle, my lord. Assam Rifle Act.
That probably doesn't say so. What it says?
It says that the discretion,
Option is there.
the Assam Rifle will be given an opportunity to decide whether they want to conduct a trial or the trial to let it be conducted by the civil court. But the
Whether
criminal,
prosecution sanction was,
no,
the sanction was,
sanction was not required, my lord.
for trial.
Yes, my lord, as per the procedure, once the charge sheet is filed, before taking cognizance of the charge sheet, the court must have, should have given a notice to the Assam Rifle to ask whether they want to take over the trial or let it be conducted by the.
Let us see the provision 106.
But
Just
the-
read it. Do you have the one?
My lord.
Do you have one? This provision?
Yes, my lord. My lord will find at page 27 of my appeal, my lord.
Prosecution sanction also, let's see. Very good possible.
My lord, yes, my lord has it.
102.
Yes, 102, page 27, my lord. Choice between criminal code and
You
Assam
you
Rifle.
said 106.
102, my lord. Section 102 of the Assam Rifle Act. It is, may I read, my lord?
Hmm.
My lord, section 102, choice between criminal code and Assam Rifle Code. When a criminal code and an Assam Rifle Code each have jurisdiction in respect of an offense, it shall be in the discretion of the Director General or Inspector General or the Deputy Inspector General within whose command the accused person is serving or such other officer as may be prescribed to decide before which court proceeding shall be instituted. And if that officer decide that they shall be instituted before the Assam Rifle Code, to direct that the accused person be detained in the forced custody.
So according to you, each have a jurisdiction.
Yes, my lord. And my lord may come to page 20.
And then you did not raise this,
My lord may, yes, my lord.
that
My
there
lord
is
may
a
come to-
provision. Raise this issue before the trial court,
My lord
saying
may
that the
come-
Assam Rifle has a jurisdiction. Anyway, so, okay, we'll go for hearing that.
My lord.
Yes, your lord.
Okay. Have you received a copy, all of you?
Yes, lordship.
Paperwork, okay.
Paperwork
It's
in hand.
The council appearing on behalf of the party submits that they have received paper book.
Lordship, we have not received the paperwork, lordship. We just received this petition.
Appeal memo,
Yes,
memo of appeal, okay. Okay, and you?
No, Lordship.
No idea. Okay. Planning Council appearing on behalf of the respondent number 1 and 5, 6, and 7 submits that they have not yet received paper book. Stop the registry sells furnish. Paper book is at whose cost? They will have to pay the cost, or
no, your lordship, it's provided free by the.
okay, the registry shall provide a copy of the paper book each to the Land Council appearing on behalf of the respondent number 1 and
5, 6, and 7.
one copy for to the Land DSGI for respondent number 5, 6, and 7. Okay, stop. After providing the copy, the matter shall be listed for hearing after.
My lord, if we can have on the 23rd of March,
Okay, this is for hearing, stop. And as requested by the Land Council for the appellant, let this matter be listed on 23rd March. Okay.
Obliged, my lord.
And Lordship, our name may be reflected in the court,
Okay.
Lordship.
The name of the appellant.
No, Lord.
Have you filed wakalatnama appellant? Appellant name
Yes,
is also not reflected.
Oh, yes, Lordship. 4, 5, and 6, 5, 6.
No, the appellant's name is also not there. It's blank. The registry shall reflect the name of the appellant, name of the, reflect the name.
The council might not have submitted the form that is to be submitted for reflecting the name in the cause list. There is a provision of the registry whereby they have to submit a form, you know.
So why you did not submit the form?
We
Have
will
you
submit-
submitted?
Not yet, my lord. We'll submit, my lord.
Okay. But on what basis you are then submitting here?
My lord, Mr. Nitin Khara has
No
already-
name, no
otherwise-
date submitted.
My lord, otherwise his name is there in the cause list, in other matters. I don't know, in this matter only has not been reflected, my lord. So if maybe we'll do the needful.
Unless you file, how it will be reflected? Unless you file.
Waklatnama we have
What
already
are you
filed.
saying?
My lord,
And
Waklatnama.
you have not seen the cause list also, that your name has not been reflected? Immediately after seeing this, you should have filed.
My lord.
Okay. The Lanark Council for the appellant. What is this form called?
Put the name, Your Lordship. It's a form to get their name reflected in the cause list.
Okay, so submitted the required form so as to reflect their name in the cause list. The registry shall also reflect the name of the council, name of Mr. G. Kato,
M. Kata, Lordship.
sorry, M. Kato, Lanet DSCI for respondent number 5, DSCI as counsel for the respondent number 5, 6, and 7 stuff. Okay.
Obliged, Lordship.
Item number 6,
That application he will file within 3 days, huh? Yes. This is item 6.
4 is election petition.
Yes.
Your Lordship, I'm agreeing to the respondent hearing. And Your Lordship, that is later became infectious one. In terms of this mail order, I'm submitting the mail order.
Okay.
Basically, they are challenging the settlement agreement. here.
You are aware of this?
Your Lordship, we became aware only this afternoon.
Okay.
So I might be given some time to take instruction from my senior. Because he's not keeping well and he's not aware of this document, Your Lordship.
They have challenged the settlement agreement, Your Lordship, before this honorable court, and we have
This
challenged
is a subsequent,
development.
okay, development. And then by this order, the matter has been settled.
Your Lordship, the challenge they have made in their petition has been set aside, Your Lordship. Their grievances already been.
Okay,
by the
okay,
customary
okay,
court itself.
okay. Redressed.
Yes, sir.
So then you just obtain instruction, will
Yes,
get it listed day after tomorrow?
Your
Or
Lordship,
tomorrow?
next week. Kindly
Next, why?
because my senior is not keeping well, Mr. Tara.
You just obtain instruction, you send a copy.
I have already furnished the copy to him also this morning. itself.
Only just telephonically ask, get it
Def-
listed day after tomorrow.
Okay, then.
Okay. Mr. Aidam, Lanark Council for the petitioner.
Wait, I'm for the respondent.
Oh, you are for the respondent.
Peer on Your Lordship for the petition.
Okay, about Lanark Council for the respondent, submitted. The matter has become infructuous as the grievance of the petitioner had been granted by order dated 26/7. Redressed by an order dated 26/7/2025 passed by the GBs of which village?
Damin,
Damin village. So, Mr.
Peer on Your Lordship.
However, Mr. Peter, Lanark Council for the petitioner prays for some time to obtain instruction in this regard. The prayer is allowed. This is requested. List this matter. Day after tomorrow again.
Lordship, there's an interim one.
The interim order pass others and continuity in the next date of this thing. Okay.
Oblige you.
Nothing.
Item number 7,
Write the date, huh?
May I, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Your Lordship, I am for the sole respondent in this case, Your Lordship.
Okay.
And I have already filed my wakalatnama and also affidavit in opposition. So since pleadings are already completed, this matter may be fixed for admission hearing, Your Lordship.
Okay.
Hearing on behalf of D company.
Mr. Aibam, Learned Counsel, appear on behalf of Mr. D. Kamduk. Mr. J. Siri, Learned Counsel, appearing on behalf of the sole respondent, submitted, he has filed affidavit in opposition,
Yes, Your Lordship, already.
and the matter is ready for, the matter otherwise is ready. Stop in view of the above and is prayed for, common list this matter
On 13th of February, Your Lordship.
for admission hearing on 13 February.
13th February.
Why particular date?
Your Lordship, since my seniors requested for an specific date, Your Lordship, for disposal.
He is from outside.
Yes, no, it is Ketama.
Okay. Okay,
This is with the consent of the other party, Your Lordship, date.
13 February.
Hello, Your Lordship.
item number 8,
Your Lordship, in item number 8, I have been informed that this matter was already charge sheeted even before this matter was filed before this court.
Okay.
It
But
was,
in
the
that
charge
case,
sheet
why the-
was filed on 9/5/2025, Your Lordship.
This is quashing petition. Record was called for.
CD was called for since.
Okay, now we'll have to call for the trial court record.
Trial court, Your Lordship, if they can withdraw this, because if the,
No, then in that case, we have to pray
Cognizance-
for.
because
No,
my-
now
my-
your prayer, and that thing will be different that the
Yes,
charge sheet file,
absolutely.
trial began. What is the status?
we are not
status-
aware, because they have also not informed this court that the charge sheet was filed on 9/5/2025.
Now,
Matter
probably in
first
that case-
came on 4/6/2025. Now subsequently thereafter, if the cognizance was taken by the court and the trial is at what stage and what are their challenge made, because the cognizance has also to
see-
be made challenged, Your Lordship.
It will be difficult for you because if the charge, you are asking for seeking for quashing of the FIR. Okay, now, before filing this, no, and case diary was called for probably,
Yes,
but then before filing this, your, the criminal petition, charge sheet already filed. You have not mentioned charge sheet as number and date. Okay, you have to challenge that also, and thereafter, if the cognizance has taken and charge framed, there also you have to challenge.
yes.
It is not made here, and probably you have to withdraw and file it again after obtaining necessary instruction, the latest status of the case. Yes.
That's why. Don't want it.
No, that is what I'm saying. It will be, this is only criminal petition only. You can file always. So that is why, but if, even if it's a civil matter also, but then this is a criminal, you are praying for the quashing of the criminal matter. It will be better, you just obtain and file it again, we'll give liberty. Okay, Mr. Aiba, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Pray for some time to obtain instruction in this regard. Okay, then says that, Miss Jeannie, Learned Edison PP submits that in this case, the police has already filed charge sheet into the case before the, which court?
It's before the.
Charge sheet into the case,
CD
even before the filing of this criminal petition.
or CJM Alo.
CJM Alat, even before the filing of this criminal petition. In view of the above,
Your Lordship, if the date of the charge sheet is being mentioned, Your Lordship. 9/5/2025, Your Lordship.
okay, so this was filed after that only.
Yes, this was filed on
Yes.
3/6/2025.
Mm. Mm. Mr. Idam Sami says he has no knowledge about this and prays for some time to obtain necessary instruction in this regard. Prayer allowed. This matter next week. Okay.
Your Lordship, and for the private respondent number 2.
Okay.
Private respondent number
Mr.
A, Bodo.
Learning Council letter on behalf of the private respondent number 2. Okay.
Declare.
Item number 9.
Lordship, TCR is still awaited as well as the service of respondent, sole respondent is yet to complete.
Okay. None appears on behalf of the petitioner on call. The office note dated 2/2/26 reflect that the trial court record is called for and service upon the respondent, sole respondent. Sole respondent?
Yes, Lordship.
Still is not a respondent.
Lordship, are we not, we are their Lordships, but a private respondent, Lordship.
No. What sole respondent?
Yes, Lordship.
Private respondent.
Sole private
Still
respondent.
awaited. In view of the above, let this matter be listed after 2 weeks. 3 weeks. Okay.
Right, Lordship.
Item number 10.
TCR, Lordship. Yes, Lordship.
Okay. So is there any private respondent? Yes. Hmm?
It's a joint petition, Lordship.
Joint petition.
Yes, Lordship.
Trial court not yet received.
Trial court not received, Lordship. It is,
Okay.
as per the last order, it already state, Lordship. Interim was
Okay.
granted.
Mr.
B, Riba.
B.
Riba.
Riba Learning Council for the petitioner. He is present. Ms. El Hadi Learned Additional PP is also present. The trial court record is still awaited. In view of the above, let this matter be listed after a week. Which court?
Lordship,
TCR from?
TCR from
CGM.
CGM UPL, Lordship.
Okay, next week. Okay.
Yes. Obliged,
Yes,
Lordship.
let's see.
Item number 4.
For cross. Okay. Okay, but you'll conduct?
Yes.
Okay,
Reported Malak for that Malak. Malak, there is I think Malak in exhibit. Because petitioner relied exhibit up to 14.
Hmm.
The other issues are already dropped regarding both capturing and all. So it was exhibited all the documents.
exhibited all the documents?
But it should be only till 14, exhibit 14. No, we have exhibit only till 14. Yes, but no, this is the certified copy we got
Alright,
on 9/1/2026.
just a minute.
There is page 150.
No. Where is the petition?
It's phone cover that time.
Where is your document, list of documents? Where is the other one?
The other exhibits are.
I think on that day also I have dictated.
Yeah, that day is detected, but they in the order, in the exhibit sheet, my lord.
Hmm?
But in the exhibit sheet, it was.
I said, gave the table and then asked to type,
Yes, table is there, my lord.
type out. But then in typing, probably mistakenly
Yes.
typed out.
That is.
My lord, my lord,
That's,
Oh,
that can be rectified.
that can be rectified. Lordship.
We have no objection.
but then on that day, I clearly
Yes,
dictated.
Lordship clearly dictated up to exhibit 14, and my
Yes.
learned friend is right.
I remember I marked also,
My lord.
but that is not available. Where is it? Where is the document? So in the document also I have marked. And probably when I gave the tabulation form.
Tabulation
Where
form
is
is also
where is the other document like this? In that I have probably marked. And then dictation was clear, I remember. But then while signing, or
Yes,
Please.
probably, my lord. Because.
Because
Typically.
thereafter, we're out of the station probably, and then file was not with us. So then when it gave,
My lord, there is no issue in that.
mhm,
There's no issue.
where is the list of documents?
Then
No, no.
I was told that the pagination here and the pagination there are different. So.
Pages,
And then pagination in the list of document and pagination in the petitions are different. And then you have mentioned the pagination of the petitioner, a petition. So I said that if they have mentioned the pagination in the petition, and if that is exactly correct, the page number given by you. So, okay, then insert that page. That I have instructed. So while marking that probably that this might have forgotten. इसको मार्क किया था डॉक्यूमेंट्स को कहाँ में ऐसा कर
please start from page 38 to 150.
Okay, then which is to be raised from the evidence, the documents. कहाँ था? Recording, where is the recording? अच्छा, this. Okay, then which are to be removed?
My lord, from serial number 15 onwards.
Serial number 15 owner, letter dated 16/4.
Yes, my lord.
15 is to be removed, 16.
No, up to, my lord. Yes, up to 35. And in the tabulation also, my lord, from.
That means only up to 14,
Yes,
then ends there, and then cross reserve. Okay,
yes, my lord. In the tabulation also is up to 14 only. Beyond that, they should be struck up.
okay, there is no pagination also after After 14?
Tabulation is-
up to 14 there is a pagination 99 to 150.
Yes, yes.
Thereafter there is no pagination.
Yeah,
There is no pagination also. Page also not given.
yes.
But why this extra? I thought this is as per the instruction. I did not, of course, one to one. I did not.
May
Yes.
respectfully, I clarify that.
Hmm.
Well, on the first occasion,
Ah.
we gave certain name of witnesses. For that relevant documents, we have put up to exhibit 15 onwards.
14.
So now, during the proceeding, we have decided to strike off all those other witnesses and we confine ourselves to 2 witnesses.
Mhm.
So what are the relevant documents for these 2 witnesses? They are only exhibiting, that comes to exhibit 14, what my learned friend says also. And rest of the thing, we have not done. And so for the pagination was concerned, we first met a different pagination, then thereafter a continuation with the pagination. So we met a continuation with pagination up to 150, which we relied. Therefore, we have not paginated the rest because
Rest.
yes, we are not relying on that. We have not gone for the pagination thereafter.
This was not even in a dictation also.
That was not even in dictation. also.
Yes.
Mm. But then based on the table submitted by you, probably typed
No,
out.
no, my lord,
Hmm.
that some miscommunication maybe with our learned steno.
So how do we rectify this step?
Yes, step up from 15 onward by another order because the lordship has got, because we are not objecting to this.
Hmm.
We are not objecting.
Mr. Derek, Planning Council for the sole respondent. And Mr. Singh for the elected petitioner. Start. Mr. There is some missteps. In the deposition. The exhibit document. Was only up to 14. And the rest of the documents from serial number 15 to 35 was dropped by the Planning Council for the election petitioner is it was not pressed or what?
Yes.
Okay. Hmm. However, in the evidence, the same has been typed out, although no pagination has been given. Therefore, the praise for the removal of the exhibit from serial number 15 to 35, we not remove that, but with the confusion. The prayer so made has not been objected to by Mr. Singh, Planning Council appearing on behalf of the elected petitioner. Accordingly, the prayer is allowed. The document exhibit from serial number 15 to 35 stands deleted or removed.
Can delete it.
Deleted. Okay. And shall not be subject to cross-examination. Okay. Okay, that is first order. Okay, now we can go ahead with the cross-examination. I hope it will not take longer time than normal time we have, isn't it? Okay, cross. So in the format, same format, name. It will be continuation of this only, but then for safety,
On a different note.
type this form of recording, is name, age, all those information. Okay, your name, please. Okay, so name. Okay, age. 62. Okay, 62 completed. Okay, then 62. Right date also. and try. Let me try. Your address, please. The same. Same, huh? You Jiang Tajo, is Jiang. Your profession is social worker. You have written probably social worker earlier. Okay, on oath, huh? On oath. Okay, now can go for cross. बोर्ड को बिलोक कर रहे हैं. Just a minute, huh? I studied up, huh? Okay, I studied in Jawaharlal Nehru College, Pasigat, up to BA second year, first year, second year, BA second year. Okay. My permanent address. My permanent address is. No, now. So that is your permanent resident now. Earlier, I resided at Lethi Village, which was my permanent residence, but now I have shifted to Itanagar and staying at C sector Itanagar. That is your permanent address. So that is why what he is asking, your permanent address only. That you have contested from which place? Jiang Tajo. Then why you are telling Itanagar? He is asking for permanent. He is asking for permanent address only.
But you are staying here in Guwahati. No, present. At present you are staying at
My permanent address is at Chiang Tajo, but okay, Chiang Tajo. But presently I am residing at Itanagar. Okay. That's not required.
your was a election notification from Itanagar. No, आपका एफिडेविट में लिखा हुआ था, लेकिन आपने लिखा था ये
Evidence in chief. Have you understood? Have you understood? The evidence in chief was drafted by you.
नहीं ये जो आप एविडेंस है ना ये कितना बड़ा है आपने याद रखा मेरा काउंसिल कर क्या आई चाहिए
The evidence in affidavit was drafted by my counsel on my instruction, and I put my signature on it.
Date of notification was 25 March 2024. No, 20 what 20 what notification for the election.
No, this is government notification only. why you are confirming from him?
The notification, my lord, this date is important, my lord.
No, what notification changed?
No, not saying, but it is an admitted date for all. That's why this date is important for us also for them.
What is the relevance?
And there is relevant.
It's a government notification, that cannot be changed, even if
Yeah,
you cross examine also, even if he says something else also.
No, I'm just putting him question when the notification was issued.
Then he'll see the record and he'll tell, he will not,
That's why I'm showing the record.
okay. Let him see his own record. It is true that it is, okay. Okay, the election notification was issued on 24.
March 24.
आप श्योर है? श्योर है? 2024. 24.
Regarding the date of election. Regarding the date of.
Regarding the dates of election.
अच्छा, और एक notification निकाला सर 21/2/2024 आपको पता है? There is a notification also on 21/3/2024 regarding the times and date of stupidity.
I now I do not remember the subsequent notification on 21/3/2024 regarding
The times and date of
okay, regarding the times and date of
stupidity.
scrutiny. Now I recall.
27 March was the last date for filing nomination.
And the 27th March was last date for filing nomination.
It was 28 March was 2024 for stupidity.
28 and 28 March 2024 was the date for the scrutiny of the nomination paper.
Yeah, that was me. I am 10 years in the 10:30. 10:30
Uh,
and
at 10:30. Okay.
अच्छा नॉमिनेशन आप कब फाइल किया था? हम 27 किया तो 24 and 26 and those nominations
I have filed two nomination papers, two sets of nomination papers, one on 26 March 2024 and another on 27 March 2024 and another set. Okay, altogether 3 candidates filed their nomination papers, including me.
It is correct, you have stated in the petition that 3 candidates have filed for it, nomination. 3 candidates filed. मैं आप वो आपका petition में statement दिया and तो आपका evidence में तो आपका evidence ये पढ़ लो. No, I have not stated about the number of candidates.
I have not stated about the number of candidates in my where affidavit or
Affidavit as well as in my evidence as well as in my
in my election petition as well as in
the number of candidates.
My respectful submission is, we are on our election petition. We are on a contesting candidates.
Yes.
Whoever has filed nomination, that's irrelevant. Who has ever contested? If somebody has filed nomination, if somebody is withdrawn, I'm not supposed to know all this because in the fray, there were only 2 candidates.
in the evidence of the affidavit.
In the fray, there were only 2 candidates.
How that is going to help me?
My lord, 3 candidates were filed nomination paper he has said.
Even if he don't, even he,
Yes,
if he
ma'am.
did not stay,
One
stay,
candidate would roll. Yes, the president could not be one can get rejected. Is not rejected.
Then only those who in the fray,
however, however, the nomination paper of one candidate was rejected. However, the nomination paper of one candidate, Minam Bagan, has been rejected, was rejected. Okay, why of Hang Mangpu? Mampi's candidature was rejected.
Follow that ये document पर ये आपका कंटेंट पूरा यानी फॉर्म पे ये आपका फॉर्म पे Yeah. Right. Update the folder. Hello. Form 26, you postponed the petition act.
you can easily register the comments and by.
No, it is not a listed.
No, how can they be?
It is not disputed by him also.
No, that is not the question. No, that is not the question.
My lord,
They
there
have
is
just,
some
no,
information
they have,
regarding him.
they have brought
That
a,
was related,
no,
but-
my lord, I have a strong objection.
Just a minute, what is this document about?
My lord, this is the nomination paper of the form 26 of the petitioner.
Form 26 of petition is a document, is the,
My lord,
is the document exhibited?
no,
Is the,
no,
not exhibited document,
no.
Yes, not executed this document.
then,
It was never challenged by anybody about my
Oh.
26.
no, why this should be exhibited now?
Why this should be
My lord,
exhibited?
this affidavit, he is not disputing this affidavit.
Where he did not, he is not disputing.
I am just showing him whether this document is or not.
This is a very irrelevant question in the cross, they cannot bring. Because they have not
just a
filed a recrimination
So
petition.
in your defense, in your document, is it there?
No,
No, in my
No.
document, it is not there.
Then how is it?
How-
This is a stranger document.
Yes, regarding
But
his, my lord, data.
there is a-
Collected from.
No, no,
the
there-
election commission
that,
time.
that cannot be, there is a,
Why
pro-
I'm asking,
my lord, there is a procedure in election. He could have filed recrimination petition challenging my nomination, which they have not done. At this course, they cannot. Because ample opportunity was given as per the RPA,
no, I am
that
just.
they have got every liberty to
I am
challenge
not
my
challenging
nomination.
Election, my
by
lord. I
filing
am
the
just
recrimination
collect- No,
petition.
no, I am just collecting some data from.
No.
Affidavit, I am asking you. I am just.
No, this affidavit he has filed before the,
Yes, before the election, returning officer.
this is the
At the time.
second copy.
Yes.
No, second nomination.
No, past name, 24.
He said that 24.
Yes.
He said that he filed on 26 and 27,
26.
26. This he has stated earlier.
Yes, he has mistaken earlier, my lord. That's why I am just asking question.
Hmm.
Whether this is his affidavit in form 26. He admitted it is his.
My lord, without filing nomination, he
I am
cannot
not
come in the
able to
fray.
read.
Why do they bring a Xerox copy and which is not even in the listed document?
It is-
Things
Is
cannot go in
it
this
in your,
manner.
is it in your listed document?
No, it
No.
is not there.
Then why you have, this is a stranger.
No, for his reference, my lord, I am just collecting from some
No, no,
data.
irrelevant. That, no,
That may be recorded.
no, it may not be good. I have filed my nomination.
26.
No, I have filed my nomination, but
Yeah.
they're just bringing another paper.
No, just,
How can they be authorized?
so he has stated that he has filed two nominations,
Two nominations,
126
two affidavits.
and one on 27.
Yeah.
This is the 26 document 26 document, whether he has annexed or he has, is it
No,
in
he
his
has not
document?
annexed.
I have not annexed.
He has
I have
not
only
annexed.
stated that
He
I
has
have filed.
summarized this fact.
Just a
That
minute.
is
No, how can, I have
particular-
filed my nomination, I have filed my nomination. Therefore,
not-
my
So
nomination was.
your nomination, you have not,
No, he
No,
has
not in the
disclosed
document.
About
only
this, my
just
lord.
statement.
My lord, my lord.
Yes.
That's why
No, no.
it's important, my
No,
lord.
no.
Why this important?
No, no, no. Why-
He can
why-
suppress this fact.
Why this is relevant? I have filed my nomination.
No.
But
He
one
has
minute,
disclosed
one minute, 1 minute. I have filed my nomination. I challenge for non-disclosure of in this affidavit through my election petition. And if at all they want to challenge my nomination, they could have come under recrimination that I think is provided under
Counter.
694.
Counter.
It will counter. When they have not gone for counter claim, how can they rely my document? Because RTA gives them ample opportunity that they can come under section 94, subject to correction. They can file recrimination
No, because
challenging my
Because it
nomination.
is neither in his documents nor in your document, how
Yes.
it can come?
How it can come?
No, I am just putting question in reference to his my lord data only. It's not that he has not.
No, this data
disclosed
is
his
not in
data.
question, even in his return statement. RPP.
Yes, oh,
RPP.
because he has not disclosed this document, my lord.
Why should I disclose?
No, it's his petition, whether he wants to disclose or not, then if you want, you would have brought it in your document. You have also filed, I suppose you have also filed document.
We have filed document, my lord. We
Okay.
are not relying this document.
Then,
We are just
so nobody is relying this document.
We are just
Document which is not relied,
personal
why should,
document.
why should he bring
Nobody,
this
if
document?
nobody is
Look,
relying this document, why it should come? How do we, and where from,
No, if your lord, your lord, please. You are not exhibiting it.
not exhibiting it?
Yeah.
Then,
আচ্ছা ধরো তা আর nomination the date of specific of থাকলে 28 March at 2024 so very at about then from 10 from that was that was already recorded আচ্ছা what days of nomination set up for scrutiny in order for the returning for 9 young targets तो उसमें कितना आपका था कौन था हमारा था स्कूटिंग डेट में ऑन द डे ऑफ स्कूटिंग बिफोर द रिटर्निंग before the so much hey from your side and from the other side but all candidates were there and some were joking like we can take every candidates the election agent proposal आपका साथ कौन कौन मेरा साथ में ये my lord, sorry, I could not, before examining him, my lord, the other witness may be involved.
other witnesses, आपका witness यहाँ है? Your witness is here in the,
Yes.
no, please, you have to. Go, please, you have no right to sit here.
आपका खराब मत पाओ, ये
Mhm.
आपका सिस्टम है. And on the day of the scrutiny, my I and myself, whom we have telling them again, my proposal.
On the day of the scrutiny, I, along with my proposer, what was the name of the proposer? Samayangpo, my election agent, who? Paras, Ras Pao, and Samayangpo, and my legal advisor, name? Elena Parme were present on the day of scrutiny. Mr. Ino Nambi, right? Ino, along with me. Okay. Were present
But
in the office along with me.
But
In the election office, what we call election office
returning of
before the returning of
on the day of,
along with me, huh? Okay.
but आपको लिखा है इसमें
Not at my company.
Okay, at SEPA office. What SEPA office? At the return, in the office of returning officer, SEPA. Camp office. Camp office of returning officer of SEPA at
Located at center,
Chiangkai.
but they it gets some kind of maybe.
At SEPA. Okay.
but after activity menu of evidence in six court में दिया है the trade of second court for तो आपको यहाँ पे लिखा है आप सिर्फ आप और आपका इलेक्शन में दोनों प्रेजेंट था नहीं that means this is strong no not I am asking you whether it is true or false no that means it is stated that on the date of scrutiny I and my election present raised objection
Oh, that is raising objection only. They raised.
no
He did not say the present. That is raising.
says about
Mr. Singh, please.
The person who raised questions only he stated. Everybody did not raise questions.
आपको नहीं लगा वो लोग भी
Mr. Singh, please take seat. Be comfortable.
तो आपने बुलाया पैराग्राफ 6 में ना you have raised the subject right अभी आपको हम आपका एक एग्जीक्यूटिव दिखाएंगे मतलब एग्जीक्यूटिव नंबर 5 in the same folder in the list of ये आपका फर्स्ट कंप्लेंट
Yes. But what's speaking the word here?
This is complaint. This is your complaint. Yes, it is raised for the past right.
Not question of part is it. It is why
Then what is here? In exhibit 7.
he said, but with different officers. And something, you see the image,
But the authority is to same one.
not same.
But this is your part the complaint
No,
for the returning officer.
there no question of part is different, but this is my complaint.
This is your complaint for the
No,
first time
no,
you got
for returning officer.
the fault law. Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Also, they-
This exhibit 7. Exhibit 5 and 7
5 and 7?
Yes.
What?
are my complaint.
Yeah, he has stated to the deputy commissioner come election petition
And
commissioner.
exhibit 5 is what are returning of.
returning officer.
Okay.
Regarding
He has already stated. What is your cross?
नहीं हम पूछा था
and my thought,
नहीं आपको हम पूछा just say yes or no. No, this is your past complaint.
no question of part is this is my complaint. I lost.
I am asking you whether it is your past complaint or second complaint or third complaint.
Let me explain. I lost his complaint.
No, you can't explain it. You have already explained. You know,
Explain.
no. Joseph, I have objection. I am asking you
A
question.
specific question. hai.
Specific question. We say here, then that I will be prepared. If you say no.
This is my complaint.
This is your complaint. I said, I am not denying this, is not your complaint.
This is not opening of bank account.
Yeah.
And we don't destroy the immovable property that is land at your land. And
That is second,
certificate.
Then non-disclosure of bank account. This is the first one.
No. First, second of that is my complaint.
This is your complaint.
And
Yeah, for the first time you raised on 21/4/2024. Yes, there.
Hmm.
My complaint before the returning officer.
it is there only.
Yes, madam, it's here.
Hmm.
It is
Five
first-
is, say
because
that letter
election was-
dated, letter dated 21/4, addressed to returning officer. Representative filed by the, written petition against the return candidate Hang Manpi. Where is the, where is perfection? What is this? Filed by the election petition against the return candidate Hang Manpi regarding disqualification of candidate. Please complain, he said. It's there only.
Yes,
What do you want to
yeah.
record here?
No, he raised it first for the first time on 21/4/2014.
Hmm.
Election was over in 19/4.
Okay. Election 19,
19.
okay, it is true that the election was over on 19/4/2024. Stop, the complaint dated, and I lodged complaint on 21/4/2024 against the return candidate Hein Mang Pi regarding
Regarding disqualification?
disqualification of his candidature for non-disclosure of,
No, for non-opening of separate bank.
oh, sorry, for non-opening of separate bank account. Okay,
No, on the day, I lost complaint. Before returning officer.
Acha, on the day of half July of it. On the day of scrutiny.
Already I lost complaint before returning officer. But that very returning officer was working one side.
No.
He was not working not like a government officer. He was working just like a party worker.
You are not crossing that returning officer. No, crossing you. That I'm asking a question that is like, okay.
Milord, when the,
No.
when he volunteers to say that.
No, he cannot lead this question.
No,
He cannot.
he has said,
He cannot lead this question.
he has said, he volunteers to say,
He has
he can
already
explain.
stated whatever he
No, he
said.
can explain, he's not anything, he's explaining that he has lost a complaint, that has to come on record.
It's
Verbally,
already
he has,
there.
orally, he has said, orally he has said, when my friend is asking the question, the witness has volunteered to explain, that explain
Those
those.
same complaint before returning officer. Already. Not with you.
That's recorded.
But it is.
Madam, that may be
important.
recorded. I have not made any written complaint on the day of scrutiny.
But already I lost.
okay. But on the date of scrutiny, I raised verbal complaint.
Returning officer rejected.
However-
Advised me,
However, I did not make written complaint on that day. Okay,
आपको कोर्ट में जवाब यहाँ नहीं होगा. I am not going to reject the signature of Mr. I.M.P. आप जितना बोले उसका I.M.P. का
वो तो क्वेश्चन आप नहीं करता.
तो वो बोला कि मैंने हम वो द कोर्ट
और
लेवल हम सक्रिय विजिट करने के लिए हमको कोर्ट में जाओ. Then thereafter only I approach the file for another court. वो हम हमारा बात मानने के I will take things declare unprotected.
That's why you are waiting for the Kentucky. अच्छा, इसमें ये डेटा में और भी एक बात लिखा है. आपको बुलाया हुआ उसमें वीडियो क्लिपिंग हुआ था. वीडियोग्राफी मतलब कुछ नहीं हो रहा था.
वीडियो कितना
हाँ, there was a videography, video clipping.
CCTV or videograph.
Video.
The entire scrutiny process was videographed by
by the returning
by,
office of the returning.
by the office of the returning officer.
तो
Okay. Okay.
click करते हैं
Name,
report in favor of I am Mr. Agent जैसे काम कर रहा है।
Okay, okay, उनका क्वेश्चन को जवाब दे दीजिए।
अब तक आप एप्लीकेशन टाइप किया क्या वो वीडियोग्राफी को कॉल करने के लिए प्रॉपर सुनो
Yes, I applied actually.
बिफोर दिस ऑनरेबल कोर्ट
Yeah, नहीं हम आरोप का ये सही apply किया।
No, I am asking you whether you have filed any application for production of this videography before this honorable court.
हम किया।
क्या हो? उसको मत देखो यार अब
नहीं किया। Okay,
I have not made any application.
I have not made an application or prayer before this court for production of the said videograph, the copy of the said videograph, the clipping of the said videograph. Huh?
Also, straight up in आपने इसमें लिखा है participate scrutiny was done by the returning officer and declared installed and declared the candidature of San Monty and Computer. मतलब दोनों का illegally वो declaration दे दिया है nomination पेपर और both the candidates का भले
ओ अप्रैल को मानता नहीं है।
नहीं आपने इसमें क्या scrutiny was process of scrutiny was perfectly done by the returning officer.
Yes.
For both the candidates.
नहीं no
आपको मेंशन किया दोनों का ना
उसका तो
मतलब
एक्चुअली रिजेक्ट करना चाहिए।
रिटर्निंग ऑफिसर है
कैंडिडेट को आई
रिटर्निंग ऑफिसर है illegally done the
आई
scrutiny for both the candidates.
Illegally?
मतलब purportedly done the scrutiny. It is his statement, madam. It is stated that after purported scrutiny, the returning officer published the list of candidates.
Yes, that is
madam.
clear.
These
No,
candidates are also illegally declared.
No,
My
that is
candidates
not
are
the
also
case.
illegally.
He did not say it illegally.
He,
No,
No,
yes.
Just a minute,
the
just a minute.
sentence goes like this. It is stated that, comma, after the purported scrutiny, because I have filed my objection. So I say purported scrutiny, the returning officer, assembly will publish a list of, so it cannot include
It is only
purported me
statement.
also.
It is a statement only.
It's a statement.
आप कीजिए ड्राउन क्वालिफिकेशन ऑफ नॉमिनेशन पेपर सब
वो तो hearing में होगा.
नहीं hearing नहीं let me explain
आप वो
and one and all
Sir, no, it's fine only. You ask, go ahead with the question. Not recorded. Wait, not recorded. You just answer his question.
हाँ वो तो hearing में.
I'm not recording. I'm not recording his question.
वन क्लोज वन इसमें लिखा है एक भी कॉलम ब्लैंक नहीं होना है ब्लैंक कॉलम ब्लैंक होने
Okay.
और इसका रिजेक्ट होगा तो आई मूर्ति का तो सेकंड रिजेक्ट का कोर्ट का मिनिमम बदलता तो पार्ट इसमें 7 में 7B में तो ब्लैंक है तो आप ले सकते हैं
होगा वो रिकॉर्ड में नहीं आएगा आपका फायदा नहीं होगा कुछ नहीं हाँ
जो है ना जब hearing में
आप जो पूछेगा बस उसका जवाब जब ओनली जवाब यस नो और आपका जो एक्सपीरियंस जो है बस उतना भी बोलिए और बाकी को जो ना इनका क्वेश्चन में रिकॉर्डिंग नहीं होगा ओके यस प्लीज गो अहेड
हम आपको पूछ रहे थे तो then on 33 to 33 24 to 17 4 to 4 you clear yes sir 30 March
तो 30
4 it 17 4 2017 इलेक्शन का पीरियड था हाँ तो ये पीरियड में क्या था इसका कैंपेनिंग पीरियड
नहीं वो तो उसमें बहुत कुछ कर सकता है आप इसको डेट क्यों नहीं लिखे
What do you want to ask here?
My question is whether this period is for campaigning or for
Why you are asking this such question? What is as per notification?
As per notification is for ballot campaigning.
Okay,
I-
campaigning.
I was,
Hmm.
one
So
party.
that is intelligent question or not required.
It is so that you are not campaigning for the election, you are just waiting for this qualification of the land. No? What? Not a fact.
It is not a fact that I did not campaign for election and was just waiting for the cancellation of the candidature of the return candidate.
Return.
Hmm.
So election was free, TN fair, 19 को काफी हो गई। Polling का पता 19 को।
19 को है।
So there is no compromise parliament.
I am not agree your point.
Whether you agree or not. मेरा क्वेश्चन है, is it correct? The election was held on May 4, 2024,
Yes,
in peaceful manner.
no, not in peaceful. I told you.
So complaints were there. इसका complaint था। मैं किसने दिया था?
कंप्लेंट हमारे पास भी दिया
पार्टी एविडेंस है।
एविडेंस तो वो पॉइंट
10 कंपनी को एविडेंस है।
हम लोग उसको पॉइंट ड्रॉप करते हैं
Hello. The election was held. We said no. The election was not held free and fair. According to this. So there was a complaint. But this complaint was not. There is no evidence to them.
yeah there is drop it
Drop. Okay. You want to record this?
Yes, ma'am.
It is not true that the election was peacefully held. Yes, there was some complaint, although although later on we have dropped election. There was a complaint, although there was not a written there was no any written complaint. But and the same has been dropped by me. Huh?
So count of second zone.
sir okay yeah second
From the election petition. Huh?
Counting was held from second zone.
The counting was done on 2nd June 2024.
In this color, we have got only 224 votes. For 2,124 votes.
yes I
It is correct that I got only 2,124
2,124 votes.
votes.
और respondent number को hand respondent number respondent theory hand कितना कितने है
8,800
And respondent Bhutan
we go
evidence got
can't be in place
8,809
8,809
votes. Okay.
इसका मार्जिन कितना था मार्जिन ऑफ
जो तो
नहीं आपका मुझसे सुनना है तो इतना मार्जिन कितना था
मार्जिन
Yes.
मार्जिन तो उसे क्या है
लेना देना तो है
no
नो
I told
लेना देना इसलिए
I
है
told
You just ask what is the margin number. You just say, is it correct? You just named, spell out the margin and then ask him. Hmm.
6,685.
Yeah. Correct, huh?
we secured that much about and on the income. He did not.
Okay, he got 6. What is the margin you said?
My lord, 6,800.
6,825.
He did not disclose his criminal case.
Yes, I have come today.
Okay.
I will come today.
And he just disclosed.
Okay.
अच्छा
When he asked, you answered. Okay.
आप बोल रहे हैं ना किन्नर केस का पालन किन्नर केस जो आप एग्जीक्यूट किया था कितना नंबर एग्जीक्यूट किया था आप कोर्ट में एग्जीक्यूट किया था अबाउट किन्नर केस पेंडिंग विन डायरेक्शन कितना नंबर
In see the record.
एग्जीक्यूट 3
Created by what? Something, and that's the PC. And then,
अच्छा दोनों साहब मिक्स एग्जीक्यूट 3 is for criminal case again
yeah,
against Simon say
and then,
that exhibit
It is there only. What do you want?
no I have to ask some question from this attorney.
It is it's document only.
Yeah, it is document but
What is your cross in
my court yeah that's why अच्छा ये कंप्लेनेंट क्यों है ये केस टक्कर वो आज कोर्ट में है ये क्यों इंग्लिश काउंसिल ये अलग लिस्ट करके बताओ
Takar Bagan
Then is the complainant.
is the complainant of the FIR number 13/2024 on 8/3. Oh, when? 8/3. Has he spelled out? 8/3/2024 against Monkey within bracket return candidate
And the bank issue. And against the bank of
against the Monkey and the bank manager. Okay. Okay, Takar Bagan laws FIR number so and so against Takar against Monkey and the bank manager. कौन सी बैंक? Which bank? Bank manager of the Apex Bank on 8/3/2024. Okay.
Yes, who is my present count, engaged counsel,
because
Takar Bagan is my
engaged counsel.
engaged counsel. Okay.
I लगा
Present in the present petition.
थोड़ा सा notice
Takar Bagan is my counsel in the present petition. Okay.
तो आपने बोला है दिस कंप्लेनेंट तो ये एग्जीक्यूट किया है ना ये एग्जीक्यूट जो आपका एडवोकेट में काका बागान ने जो कंप्लेन दिया था उसको एग्जीक्यूट किया था
नहीं वो टक्कर बाग
नहीं नहीं आई एम आस्किंग ये एग्जीक्यूट किया है कि नहीं नहीं आप दिखाइए इसमें एग्जीक्यूट नंबर 3 उसमें दिखाइए काका बागान का जो कंप्लेन दिया था बिफोर द पुलिस वो एग्जीक्यूट किया है क्या
है
हम पूछ रहा हूँ जो वो ओरिजिनल कंप्लेन आया था ये टक्कर बागान ने दिया था बिफोर द आईओ इसको एग्जीक्यूट किया था क्या हाँ
ये
कहाँ है आप कहते हैं मैं काइंडली सी एग्जीक्यूट चाहिए
City से
ये आपका प्लीज का केस को ना
नहीं नहीं
एप्लीकेशन पर
इसमें लिखा हुआ है ना
ये एप्लीकेशन पर ये क्या है ना
आप
नहीं ये एप्लीकेशन के लिए किया है ये जब टक्कर वाले पेपर लोड किया था ना
उसको आप
नहीं वो उस समय में डेट ऑफ डिवोर्स ऑफ कंप्लीट नहीं वो
अभी तो है नहीं जो टक्कर बागान ने कंप्लेन लिखा था ये तो पुलिस का कंप्लेन पुलिस कंप्लेन तो टक्कर बागान ने एक कंप्लेन दिया पुलिस को ये एक्टिविटी आप किया है क्या इसमें आपका एप्लीकेशन नहीं किया आई हैव नॉट एग्जीक्यूटेड the original complaint lost by his counsel was not executed.
Okay.
This is the format, my lord.
the, it's your suggestion.
No, not suggestion.
Okay. I have not exhibited the original FIR.
No, it cannot be original.
Original,
Complaint.
complaint, it's complaint, original complaint,
Complaint come after, this complaint.
complaint.
This has come as a first information report under the complaint.
Under the complaint, that complaint was not true.
Okay, not exhibited the original complaint lodged by Thakur Bagan on 8/3/2024.
अच्छा, ये complaint dated 8 January 2024. Paragraph number 1 to 4.
Only certified copy was exhibited.
Yes, madam.
Okay, only certified copy was exhibited. Huh?
The original complaint was not.
Yeah, that's it.
Not exhibited.
Certified copy, fine.
Only certified copy of the FIR was exhibited. Okay.
FIR, only the format portion. Format portion. But the signature bearing of the complainant was not exhibited. The complaint which bears the signature
You asked whether signature there in his exhibition.
अच्छा इसमें ये जो एग्जिबिट किया था आप एग्जिबिट 3 ये साइड पेज ना इसमें टाटा बागान का सिग्नेचर है टाटा बागान को आपका कंप्लेंट नहीं ये लिखते ना इसका सिग्नेचर है यहाँ देख लो ये तो कंप्लेंट रिफॉर्मेंट टाटा बागान इसमें उसका सिग्नेचर है ये तो पुलिस का है ना नहीं उसका सिग्नेचर है भी नहीं यहाँ पूछ रहा टाटा बागान का एक सिग्नेचर है भी नहीं है तो नहीं था बोलो है तो है बोलो ये तो नहीं वो होना चाहिए ना ये देखा दो नहीं ये पुलिस का वहाँ कहाँ
Signature वहाँ दिखाई दिया नहीं दिया. Okay, it is true that Thakur Bagan signature
This is an FIR.
is not in the
Only in OE, only in the
exhibit,
Ejahat
not in the
signature of Thakur Bagan.
exhibited FIR, as it is only the format FIR. Okay.
अच्छा दोनों था ये ब्रेकअप नंबर 1 में क्या लिखा है आप
Format FIR recorded by the police.
ब्रेकअप नंबर ये ब्रेकअप नंबर हाँ कौन आपका एग्जिबिट आपको पता Against three, कितना against में है? नहीं ये ब्रेकअप में लिखा है committed Thakur Bagan complaint verification with constituency is coming against ये नाम किसका है? बैंक मैनेजर दोनों ने पैसा लोन लिया ना ये ब्रेकअप में क्या लिखा है हम पूछ रहा हूँ diluting the may I read?
Yes, what?
My question is that this complaint is against whom in the breakup number 1.
Okay.
It is written like this, may I read?
Yes.
The complaint dated 8 January 2024 against the Chief Vigilant Officer from Secretary, Government of Arunachal Pradesh, submitted by Thakur Bagan. Advocate 9 Siang Tajo, it is not Mano Ang Mapi. The advocate 9 Siang Tajo, the assembly is coming this day. That is his address, complainant address. Against Yura Takung. Then when this
What is this? You
My
are reading
question
from
is, this complaint is basically against whom? Against Yura Takung, the bank manager and ना ये
वहाँ हैंगमैन का नाम है
उन्होंने पैसा लोन दिया ना और दोनों लेन
I am asking in this trade किसका नाम पे है?
दोनों लेन को कोर्ट केस तक के
आप सुनिए उसको पढ़ने दो.
The whole complaint has to be read out.
Why should I? read
This,
out?
he's asking about the
I'm
particular paragraph.
asking about the relevant paragraph.
No, it cannot be because it when it taken in a peaceful manner.
He has said that entire complaint is against Hang Murphy and the bank manager.
Yes,
Now he's asking about the,
it is
now
the
he's asking about the particular paragraph.
particular
How
paragraph.
it, how, okay. Although the complaint was lodged against the Hang Murphy
No.
and the bank manager.
Because
The particular paragraph,
my humble submission
Hmm.
is the paragraph has been categorized. The second para, it is alleged that Ayang Monkey. In the second para, it is
no,
alleged
that
that
is why I'm saying, the complaint is against Hang Murphy and the bank manager.
Yes.
But in the paragraph which you have shown to me,
Yes,
in the paragraph, this is which paragraph?
paragraph number 1.
And,
Paragraph
and-
1, 2,
but
3.
in the paragraph 1, which you have shown to me, the complaint is also against the
Problem.
Yuratagong,
Then bank manager.
the then bank manager
पैसा
of Apex Bank.
आ रहा हूँ
Okay.
about it.
उसमें और भी लिखा हुआ है नेक्स्ट पैरा आपका पास अभी आ रहा है चिंता मत करो ये इस पहले से हायम मंग पे प्रेजेंट चैनल है लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली यंग फॉर द लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली इज कमिंग ये क्या लिखा ये एन
I made excuse for 1 minute.
मैंने पूरा इंडियन को कवर या फाइल दी
I am training in the very center and then operator of mail and silent payments.
इसमें क्या लिखा है I am not the present proprietor of patient finger or darling proprietor of patient finger.
There is given the then
proprietor. Not पहले का था
पहले का था लेकिन तो 2000 तो नॉमिनेशन टाइम में हम लोग तो वो लाइसेंस है ना नहीं हम लोग मालूम नहीं था लेकिन तो इस नॉमिनेशन पेपर you mentioned that I am having that trade license और उसका कैपिटल इन्वेस्टमेंट आपको मार्च 2024
मेरा करने का मतलब है
one or 18 lakhs 36,200 इन्वेस्ट हो रही हो तो अगर पहले खत्म डिफॉर्म होता है कैंसिल होता है तो मार्च 24 में नॉमिनेशन पेपर में रिफ्लेक्ट हम लोग को
एक बार
नॉमिनेशन
करने पे जितना था
What is your question?
My question is that, my lord, at the time of lodging this affair, whether the higher monthly was the proprietor, the complainant himself said, I am the Darden proprietor of Tasting Trader.
Okay, at the time of lodging, the complaint dated 8/1/2024. The return candidate Hang Monkey was not the proprietor of what?
Of Tasting Trader.
Of,
MS.
Mrs. HM Traders. This is in a complaint, the then,
Yes.
and that is why in the complaint itself, it is written that he was the then proprietor. Okay.
अच्छा लास्ट में और एक बार मतलब लिखा है कंप्लेन में ये भी लिखा हुआ है फादर तो पार्टी between order on 13/2/2019, Europe Company, Darden Manager has illegally issued self-manufactured and of no deal certificate in favor of Hang Monkey. ये डेट होता है नो डील सर्टिफिकेट का नहीं
इसमें तो लिखा है ये टैक्स करता है ये नहीं दिस हम जब इसको कंपेयर किया है
नहीं नहीं आपने बुलाया है गार्डियन मैनेजर युवराम ताबो
हाँ
उसने बुलाया है
he was not competent it's any
हाँ नो दैट इज गुड टू आपने बुलाया वो एनओसी को उसी पे आता है वो एनओसी को उसी पे आता है
आवाज नहीं
वो बात ना क्या है लेट एनओसी मैंने दिस 2019 एनओसी या प्रोसीडिंग इन द प्रेजेंट
NOC was issued to,
NOC was issued to HMP.
that earlier was in which paragraph?
That was in paragraph number 2.
Okay, earlier, continuous, which is reflected in paragraph 2 of the complaint. Is complaint?
Complaint.
Okay, and then this one is in paragraph?
It's
Okay. What it is reflected?
this written the one on 12/3/2019.
Hmm.
Yuvara Tatum, that and when manager illegally issued self-manufacture and false no due certificate
Against?
against Hyman,
Okay,
2019.
okay, in paragraph, it is, this is suggestion,
No,
it is true, okay. The, in paragraph, okay. The, NOC was issued by the then bank manager, Mr.
Yuvara Tatum.
Yora Tagong, to the return candidate Hang Mampi
On 12/3/2019.
on 12/3/2019.
वो
इसलिए इलेक्शन का कैमरा समझ
Okay, and that was in the earlier election, not during this, not during the election which I have challenged. Okay,
समझ पैदा किया दो दिया ना
okay.
तो
Okay.
कोई आप जो एनओसी आप वो गार्डन बैंक मैनेजर ने दिया था ये पिटीशन में तो आप पेमेंट नहीं किए लेकिन जो एनओसी ने दिया था ना
हाँ
12/3/2019
I have not challenged the said NOC
का प्रेजेंट है
in the present election petition. Okay.
तो
उसमें तो क्रिमिनल का
ना क्रिमिनल का है जो आप कितना बात जानते आप खुद कोई कंप्लेन नहीं दिया आता है तो नहीं आई मानते हैं
नहीं ये वो कुछ पहले पुराना
कोरोना के पहले था
प्रिंटिंग है सॉरी प्रिंटिंग होने से भी नॉमिनेशन पेपर में प्रिंटिंग है लिखना है ना और नील लिखा है
ये केस
और नील लिखा है
ये केस कब रजिस्टर हुआ था
नहीं और क्यों नील लिखा है प्रिंटिंग तो प्रिंटिंग है
तो आपको फिर हम पूछ रहा हूँ ये केस कब रजिस्टर हुआ था केस ये बीजेपी कब रजिस्टर हुआ था आप जानते हैं आपका एक्चुअली ये दोस्तों कब है
I did not know. For what?
I don't want to express. हम नहीं बोलेगा
Hmm?
when it was registered.
No, no. ये case को register, the question is whether
Case was registered.
whether the case was registered or not.
हमने हमने
I have
I have not seen the
देर
complaint stroke FIR filed by Takar Bagang against
लिखा है
Hang Mangpi and the bank manager was registered or not. Hmm.
तो
But this is FIR. He have just exhibited that it is registered.
is registered. So
Then what is the point?
no, my question is when it was registered, man.
When?
Because
It is there only.
8/3/2014 is relevant, my lord. Just before the election, this case was on with a Malafide intention, this was closed. Election notification was on 2023, 20 March 2024.
रजिस्टर्ड हुआ है केस तो, इसलिए तो आपने एग्जिबिट किया है FIR को. कब रजिस्टर हुआ याद है? document अपना document देखो एक बार.
He doesn't understand the.
He did not understand.
That's
ये जो register हुआ है आपने जो exhibit किया ना ये कब है? Just दिखा show him. Show him the date. Case register. The complaint lodged by Thakkar Bagang on 8/3/2024 against Bhai Mangpi and the bank manager was registered on 8/3
2020.
on the same day only,
No. Complaint was
2020,
24.
24. So the complaint was also 8/3.
No, complaint, the original complaint was in January, my lord. 8/1/2024.
No, this earlier he has already stated that it was 8/3/2024.
8/3 is the police, my lord, police written in the format, my lord. There is a format in the FIR.
Now you said that FIR
One.
complaint was lodged on 8/3.
Complaint was closed on 8/1/2020.
That was not executed. The original complaint written by the complainant was not executed.
Then what is your question? You clarify the by asking question then.
My question is.
The original FIR, FIR, as he stated, was when original FIR was lodged.
Yeah.
In order to clarify, why should we repeat? It was registered on 8.
It's already written. Acha, 8.
No, 8 is written. It is FIR.
It should be 8 January. The first complaint.
It was.
The first complaint was on 8th of January 2020.
Has he stated that? Ask him. January.
8 January.
Okay.
And the FIR was registered on 8/3.
Okay. Then in the earlier, the FIR was lodged on 8/1 to make it 1, huh? And it was registered on 8/3/2024.
Yeah.
Okay. So last one, leave them. Why to prolong it?
So, FIR was with modified intention with the for you.
It is not true that the said FIR was lodged by Thakkar Bagang against the return candidate Hai Mangpi and bank manager with malafide intention through me, not through
On its instruction.
on my instruction. Okay.
Hey.
ना आपका इंस्ट्रक्शन में लॉज नहीं किया है. चल.
The last question in this FIR. Basically ये FIR में क्या allegation था? Allegation against the hiring of. लोन अमाउंट का dispute था ना? लोन अमाउंट का
The allegation against
हाँ है.
वो लिखा है तो register on so and so, huh? The allegation against नहीं उसके बाद ये उससे the earlier paragraph the said it is not true that the said FIR was lodged by Thakkar Bagang on my instruction, huh? And then the allegation against Hai Mangpi within bracket return candidate and bank manager was against money laundering.
Not money laundering, my lord. This
He
regarding
says,
that
he says regarding what? Regarding non-repayment.
non-repayment of loan. Non-payment of loan.
Okay, non-repayment of loan.
Non-payment of mortgage loan taken by.
Okay. non-payment of mortgage loan
So, figure to the
taken by
figure.
Hang monthly return within bracket return candidate. Okay.
So, one is rupees 20 crore, next
It was against two loan.
loan.
Okay.
He has taken two loan.
Next, the complaint was against two loans.
Yes,
Are you sure?
here.
The CC account. The market.
Again, the.
Okay. Regarding,
There is such bill.
okay.
One is.
Two loan, the before loan at two mortgage loan. वो आएगा नहीं यहाँ पे. It will not come. Yeah, in your document.
अच्छा, आप कोई भी कंप्लेन में लिखा हुआ है, इसमें तो डिग्री भी पास हुआ था परफॉर्मेंस जो अदालत में नहीं, ये तो आपका कंप्लेन है ना, आपका एडवोकेट का कंप्लेन में क्या है, वो लोक अदालत में सेटलमेंट भी हुआ था, इसमें क्या लिखा है आप बोलो?
ये लोन को
नहीं, इसमें लिख देगा. It was already
This is in
decided in a loc
an
अदालत.
election petition?
Yes.
Okay.
Exhibit 3.
Exhibit 3 was settled.
Exhibit 3 मतलब the loan amount was settled in a loc अदालत. Accordingly, compromise.
He has stated in his election petition.
Now in the complaint.
it's still 20, but not like detail.
नहीं, मेरा कहने का मतलब लोक अदालत में सेटलमेंट हुआ था नहीं हुआ.
नहीं हुआ.
बस इसमें आपका वकील ने झूठ लिखा है. मैं
It is in his petition.
yes मतलब.
Yes, Para,
Is page 132.
where is the election petition?
मैं kindly see the exhibit 3. Second,
Exhibit 3 is there.
yes मतलब second page.
Second page. Is it 4? Where? Para?
This data is start from third. After default, on payment of monthly EMI, the year 2018, total amount of it. As the bank filed application before look at accordingly, next paragraph minus it was decreased on compromise. On this minus 9.
Okay. We have no idea about this content.
This is minus exhibit utility. मेरा कहने का मतलब है ये जो लोन अमाउंट लिया था ना वो लोक अदालत में कॉम्प्रोमाइज सेटलमेंट हुआ था.
नहीं वो हम तो सेटलमेंट हुआ है.
नहीं
Uh, my lord,
ये
my friend is asking one line which is favoring. So if the FIR is to be read in total, complete.
time of hearing.
No, complete, then the whole case is for that harder within 3 days of passing a decree order, the then bank manager has eligibly issued self-manufactured force notice certificate in favor of Sri Haimapi by abusing his power. This is what the investigation is going on. The investigation is in that because it was settled, then no due certificate was issued. Therefore, this case has come. But my friend is asking
No, he is asking
Nine,
specifically about this paragraph.
about the paragraph. How can it be in an FIR? How can the paragraph? So the FIR has to be a complete because of finding of the police is to register a case because no due certificate was given. They are giving the factual part. This was settled, then even after this settled, no due certificate was given, even without repayment. There is a whole crux of the matter. But my friend is asking only the line by line. But that cannot be because that has to come in a complete form.
See, the it was settled, and in another case, it was he was to pay installment.
Yeah.
But there is an allegation that he was to pay in equal installment, huh? 6 installment, but within 3 days of passing of decree, Yurat Tagang, the then bank manager, has illogical issued self-manufacture and false no due certificate in favor of Sri Hyang Mangfi by abusing his power. And that is why I think there is a case.
No, that is 2019, my lord.
The latest record is by 2030, but then
Nay, my question is there, my lord, whether the loan amount was settled or not. No. In the local.
not,
Case is pending. Case is
okay,
pending.
okay,
Not yet, I am not saying.
okay. But there is a sentence of settlement. So you say that although there is a sentence of settlement, but it was not totally settled.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, the loan amount, the loan case of the return candidate was settled. However, it's settled, and the another loan case was settled. The first loan case is for what? The first loan case was settled for 10 crore. Both are for 6 installment. The loan amount was settled for payment, settled before the Lok Adalat. For 10 crore and 6 crore 88 lakh 39,000 to be paid in 6 equal installment. However, within 3 days of passing of such decree, such order by Lok Adalat, the bank manager Yurat Tagang, the then bank manager Yurat Tagang has issued self-manufactured and false no due certificate. Therefore, according to me, the loan was not completely settled before the settled. In my knowledge, according to my knowledge, no.
My lord, for today.
Okay, rest tomorrow.
Tomorrow, my lord, there is another election to be done.
Okay, his part over.
No, my lord, no.
Yeah, my friend says that he'll take another 3 hours. It's another 2 hours.
Okay, so then we'll continue tomorrow.
My lord, tomorrow,
When?
my lord, first time we have to take the one.
Oh, the other one,
Other one.
and then it will be day after tomorrow.
Can it be on 6, my lord?
My lord,
Because
six, I have
Okay,
some-
oh,
6,
6 or when?
6.
My lord, 6, I have some difficulty, my lord.
Okay, when then?
My lord,
Then-
lordship is here till 13.
Yes,
So let it be on 11, my lord.
No. Then it can be on 9th.
9, I have a, no, this is.
No, we cannot.
any date.
My lord, 9 and 10, 9, 10, 6, I could not, my lord. Because 6, I have a ritual on 9 and 10, I have some Padak Meta at principal bank.
Okay, let it be on 22.
Yes,
Sorry.
My lord,
No. 12.
12.
Sorry. 12.
12.
12.
12.
Is it okay? Then,
then it can be fixed even on tomorrow with my
No, my lord. Tomorrow, Learned Senior Council, he must is coming forward.
okay,
He is sitting, petitioner in person.
okay.
It will take time.
The
give a try.
to be continued, So then in order, submit, The election petitioner, PW1, is present along with his learned counsel, Mr. Singh. Mr. Deori, learned counsel for the sole respondent, is also present. Staff. Para. The election petition of PW1 has been cross-examined. Sorry, the cross-examination of the election petitioner could not be completed. Okay. Papa, the next date for further cross-examination is fixed on 12.
This little far.
No, man.
Because we have adjusted all his dates. Let it be on 9th.
No, my lord, this extremely, I am sorry for it.
9, 10,
6, 10, my lord, 6, 9, 10, my lord.
then 11 to normally DV6.
Then, you know.
12,
12,
12 only. 12.
So that endeavor has been made that my two.
Yeah, that I have
Okay.
completed.
To try to
Because-
complete. Okay.
Because in
For
basically it has to go day to day basis.
this is matter
But my
of 12,
friends-
for
They've got
further
extensive
cross-examination
everywhere.
of the PW1. Okay.
My learned friend Jury practiced everywhere. Hosai, Nagaon, Changlang, that also everywhere in Guwahati. So it's very difficult to accommodate with him.
There is no restriction for you.
No, no. No, it's very difficult to accommodate with my friend.
Yes, then he's busy man.
He's a busy lawyer.
Busy.
Ola is my lord.